My name is Priscilla Petrash, and I'm a physician assistant here at Carolina Family Practice and Sports Medicine. I've been here since January 2015. My approach is I really like that the patient would be, and their families, if applicable, would be involved in their care and their treatment decision rather than just treating them based on what I think. I like presenting all the evidence and educating them concerning whatever it is, and just giving them all the options, laying it before them and letting them make the decision and helping them make the decision of what they think would be best for their health. I just have always cared for people in general and wanted a way to help people very personally, and health is the most closest thing to a person, and so caring for someone's health is the most important thing and one of the most direct ways to help people. So that's the ultimate reason I went in. And then of course I enjoy medicine and I enjoy the interaction and developing the relationships with people. So that's very important to me, and that's why family medicine is a good fit for me as well. I love spending time with my family. I'm married and have a little 2-year-old boy, so of course family is very important to me. Love sports, love running, love being outside, love the outdoors, love sunny days. I played soccer in college, and so I just try to keep up. Exercise is very important. Love being active.